Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. You all are welcome to my channel English Conversation with Priya. Today I am going to talk about a particular topic that I am from Bengali medium. Can I speak in English? My answer is yes, because it doesn't matter that where are you from, Bengali medium, English medium, Hindi medium or any other medium, it doesn't matter. Important is that you want to speak in English and you want to learn this language. Okay, and this thought is absolutely wrong that I am not from English medium, so how can I speak in English? We should not complain, because if we are always busy to complain, then we do not overcome the problems. We should only focus on our learning. Next, come to the point how to learn this language. Guys, I think English is the easiest of all languages, because here if you know the alphabet, then you make words. But when you are going to learn any other language, first of all you have to learn alphabet, then you have to learn I ki matra, a ki matra. After that you can make some words, right? I would like to say that, guys, if you are going to learn this language, then you translate from your mother tongue to English, small sentences. We all say that it's not necessary, but it's necessary. In initial time, it's necessary. In my journey, in my experience, translate is necessary in initial time. If you watch my initial time videos, I translate Bengali to English, how to say Bengali to English. Next point is grammar. Grammar is also necessary to speak flawless English, otherwise we make mistakes immense. Actually, our environment is not like that, as you learn this language by listening anyone. So you build to you by yourself, but you have basic knowledge of grammar like tense, use of preposition, that you can start your journey. In present, I talk with you. In past, I talked with you. In future, I will talk with you. How to say present continuous tense? I am talking with you. Past continuous, I was talking with you. Like this, every single day you make some sentences and change it present to past, past to future, and do practice like this. Next point is listening. Listening plays big role. It's very, very important to learn any language. Every day you listen some TED talks, it's very interesting, or maybe conversation, maybe podcast, whatever, but mind it in English and what you can grasp easily, and watch it, always watch it, how to express their feelings, how to deliver their speech, the way of speaking, the process of speaking, it's very important, how to say. Next point is self-talking. It's a beautiful process and very enjoyable also. Always we are doing something, ask questions to yourself and start speaking. When did you wake up, Priya? I woke up at 5:30 am. Every day I wake up at 5 am, but today I am so late. Now I am talking with you. After that I will go to kitchen to cook tiffin for my children. Like this, you talk to yourself. Watch some movies, some cartoons and describe about them. Every day many incidents happened around us. Try to speak about them by yourself. Today I went to the market. There a funny incident happened with me. I want to share with you. Suddenly I got ripped shoes, and I couldn't understand what will I do. Sometimes I hopped in the market and looked for a cobbler. Then ultimately I found a cobbler and fixed my shoes. So guys, always many incidents happen around us. You try to speak by yourself, and that's how increase your speaking skill, increase your vocabs, and bring out your fluency. Besides, read some books and always read out loud. Only listening, only writing, only reading, only speaking is not enough. Every day you have to read, write, listen, and speak. When you are going to cook some items, suppose you are going to cook chicken, do you need only chicken? No, you need oil, spice, ginger, garlic, onion. After that you can prepare a delicious chicken. Similarly, when you become a fluent speaker, you have to contribute so many things: right amount reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Guys, my educational background is totally Bengali medium, and after completing my education I got married, and few years I'm detached from education. I think 9 to 10 months ago I had started my English journey, and now I am working. So guys, anybody can speak in English if he wants to speak this language, if he wants to learn this language. It doesn't matter where are you from. Anybody can speak in English, but do practice with consistency. Every single day you have to do practice. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing, and please let me know how did you like this video. You could also suggest me if you have any suggestion. See you again on next video. Till then, take care. Bye.